CBSE Class 10 Polynomials Exercise 2.2. Now these are the three polynomials. Now why this is polynomials? This is x square plus 0x minus 3. It's a polynomial. It's a quadratic polynomial. Now this one this is also quadratic polynomials. And this is also a polynomial. This is not our math. What they said us, find the zeros of the polynomial of the quadratic equation. Now you can see that number 1 and number 3. Number 1 and number 3 are the same. So what we write that? Number 1, x square minus 3. Clear? So let's start with x square minus 3. Now what we write that? Start. We have x square minus 3. That is x square minus root 3. That is x plus root 3. X minus root 3. What identities are we are using? Identities a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b. So what we write that? X square minus 3. This thing you have to be little careful. Is 0 when x plus root 3 is equal to 0. This is the most important, or x minus root 3 is equal to 0. This must be written in this way for the board examination. This or is very important. And first, this is the main thing. And then write, therefore, the 0 of x square minus 3 are root 3 comma minus root 3. Just write down in this way. Otherwise, this is the good presentation of the sum. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. The first part is complete. Second part, verify the relation. We have to write that sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is equal to minus, what is coefficient of x? And this is why we have to write that is x square minus 0x plus minus 3. Now what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 0. Coefficient of x is 0 and coefficient of x square is 1. That is equal to 0. Now sum of a, that is root 3 plus minus root 3 is equal to root 3 minus root 3, 0. Verify. Understand that? Then again, product of zeros is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. So what is coefficient of constant term? Minus 3 by 1. That is minus 3. Again, product of 0 is equal to root 3 into minus root. It is minus verify. Now this 1 and 3 are the same type of math. Now you consider the second one. We consider the second one. Four u square plus 18 we have is compared with standard form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and not is equal to 0, then it is a 4u square plus 8u plus 0. Then we have to write that the 0 of 4u square plus 8u the value of 4u square plus 8u is 0 when 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. When this is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 of 4u square plus 8u are 0 and minus 2. The first part is over. You have to write in this way. Now the second part. Now, sum of zeros is equal to 0 plus minus 2, that is minus 2. And again, sum of 0 is equal to minus coefficient of u by coefficient of u square. Now what is the coefficient of u? It's a minus 3 by this minus 25. The product of 0 is equal to minus constant term by coefficient of x square. What is constant term? Is 0. Coefficient of x square 4. Now, product of 0 is equal to 0 into minus 2.